Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 11, money. All of you use money in your day-to-day life. When you have to buy the things, you use money, right? Now, money is in two terms, rupees and paisa, right? Rupees and paisa. Rupees are in the form of paper currency and paisa is in the form of coins, right? So today we will learn how to read and write money. How to read and write money. First thing, reading and writing money, or the amount we say. Suppose you have 6 rupees 70 paisa. 6 rupees 70 paisa. How to write in words? 6 rupees, 6 and paisa 75. 6 rupees 75 paisa. Right? When we write in this form, this is called in words. We are writing the money in words. This is a word form. We are writing in words. Now, how to write in another form? We put a rupees symbol, rupees 6 and paisa 75. We write like this. This is in figures. So, there are two ways to write the money. There are two ways to write the money. First is in the word form and another one is in the figures form. Clear? Now, for example, you have to write in words 15 rupees 20 paisa. You have to write 15 rupees 20 paisa. How you will write this in words? So, what you will write? Rupees. How many rupees are there? 15. Rupees 15 and paisa how much? Paisa is 20. Paisa is 20. So, in words we will write rupees 15 and paisa 20. Now, how to write this in figures also? How to write this in figures? In figures we will write rupees 15. Rupees is how much? 15 and paisa is how much? 20. To separate the rupees from paisa, we put a dot. This dot represents that 15 is rupees and 20 is paisa. Clear? So, this is in word form and this is in figures. Clear? Another example. Suppose the question is 200 rupees 45 paisa. Right? 200 rupees 45 paisa. How to write this in words? In words we will write. How do we write in words? Rupees 200 and paisa how much? And paisa 45. 45. This is in word form. In figures, how we will write? In figures. How we'll write this? Rupees. We'll put the rupees symbol. This is the rupees symbol. 200. And how many paisa? 45. And we'll put a dot between it. So, this become rupees 245 paisa. Clear? So in this way we'll write in words and this way we'll write in figures. This is how we read and write the money. Clear? Now we'll learn how to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Second, convert rupees into paisa. How to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Third one is convert paisa into rupees. How to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Paisa into rupees. All of you know that in 1 rupee there are how many paisa? 100 paisa, right? In 1 rupee there are 100 paisa, right? So when we have to convert the rupees into paisa, we multiply by 100 because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, right? When we have to convert the rupees into paisa, we have to multiply the rupees by 100 because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So if we ask 5 rupees is equal to how much? So we will multiply 5 by 100 and we'll get 500 paisa. So when we have to convert rupees into paisa, we multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Clear? So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 5 rupees is equal to how many paisa? 500 paisa. We have multiplied 5 by 100. In the same way, when we have to convert paisa into rupees, what we have to do? We have to divide by 100. What we have to do? We have to divide the paisa by 100. Divide by 100. For example, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee, right? So if there are 600 paisa, so how many rupees will be there? You will divide 600 by 100. If you divide 600 by 100, 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. So we cancel and it will become rupees 6. What it will become? 2 zeros will be cancelled because 100 6 are 600. So rupees 6 will be the answer. We will divide 600 paisa by 100 and we'll get 6 rupees. Or another way, we can put a dot because in 100 how many zeros are there? 2. So we'll count from back side 1, 2 and we put a dot. This become rupees 6. Clear? This become rupees 6. So when we have to convert the rupees into paisa, we have to multiply by 100, and when we have to convert paisa into rupees, we have to divide by 100. Clear? Another question we'll do. Convert rupees into paisa. Rupees into paisa. Rupees are given. Suppose the rupees are given 57 and 50 paisa. In this, rupees and paisa both are given and you have to convert them into paisa. So what you will do? what is the rupees given here? What is the rupees given here? 57 is the rupees. So we have learned when we have to convert the rupees into paisa, we multiply by 100. So what is the rupees given? 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa, right? So rupees 57 is equal to how many paisa? 57 is equal to how many? 57 multiplied by 100, right or not? When we multiply 57 by 100, all of you know we multiply this. 57 ones are 57 and remaining 2 zeros will be copied down. So it become 5,700 paisa. Now we have converted 57 rupees into paisa. Now this is also paisa. So we'll add 50 paisa in it. So how many paisas will be there? 5,750 paisa. So rupees 57 and 50 paisa is converted into paisa. First we have to convert the rupees into paisa by multiplying 57 by 100. We'll get 5,700 paisa, and 50 is the paisa, so we'll add 50 in it and we'll get 5,750 paisa. Clear? One more example. Another example. If the question is given rupees 10 and 05 paisa. Rupees 10 and 05 paisa. Right? So first we will convert the rupees into paisa. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. So rupees 10 is equal to how many paisa? What we will do? We will multiply 10 by 100. Right? All of you know 10 ones are 10 and remaining zeros will be copied down. So it becomes 1000 paisa. And how many paisas are there? 05. So we'll add 05 paisa in it. And what we will get? 5001. So how many paisas are there in rupees 10? Rupees and 5 paisa. How many paisas are there? There are 1005 paisa. How many paisas are there? 1005. Clear? I hope all of you are clear how to read and write and how to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Thank you and have a nice day.